Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with crumbs, dust, pet hair, or random debris hidden in every crevice of your car and felt like no vacuum on the market could truly reach it, then stick around. Today I'm putting 5 top portable car vacuums to the test and revealing exactly which one is worth your money. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on each of these. Also, after watching, leave me a comment telling me which vacuum you'd pick and why. Now let's start the showdown. We'll go from number 5 all the way to number 1, and by the end I promise you'll know exactly which car vacuum is best for your needs. The Iofine car vacuum cleaner features a brushless motor that spins up to 80,000 RPM and delivers a suction power of up to 21,000 PA with 3 adjustable modes, 9,000 PA, 15,000 PA, 21,000 PA, and is powered by a $6,000 mAh lithium-ion battery that gives up to 40 minutes of runtime, charging via USB-C in about 2.5 hours, plus a 400 ml dustbin and HEPA filter. This unit doubles as a vacuum, blower, air duster, and inflator, and comes with multiple nozzles for varied tasks. What makes the Iofine stand out is its versatility. It's not just for vacuuming your car seats or floor mats, it can also blow dust out of keyboard cracks or inflate small items, making it ideal for someone who wants one tool for multiple jobs. The runtime is generous, and the suction is competitive considering the size. One drawback is that in the highest mode it can be a little loud, but that's a fair trade-off for the extra performance. Overall, it's still a very solid option. Next up is the SWMRDN Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. Admittedly, specs are harder to pin down from the usual sources, but it markets itself as a cordless, lightweight handheld vacuum aimed specifically for car interiors, with decent suction, built-in battery power, and multiple attachments for crevices and upholstery. Its portability and focus on car use make it especially appealing for someone who wants simplicity and no-fuss functionality. What makes the SWMRDN vacuum stand out is its user-friendly design, compact size, and the fact that it's built purely for car cleaning, so it's less of a general all-in-one and more of a focused car cleaner. Its shortcoming is that it lacks some of the extra features, blowing, inflating, that some of the others have, but if your main goal is just to vacuum your car interior, it's still worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the Saker Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This model generally advertises a 12,000 PA suction power, a brushless motor, USB-C charging, and multiple nozzles for different surfaces, car seats, carpet, crevices. It's built to tackle pet hair, crumbs, and everyday dust in your vehicle. What makes the Saker model shine is its balance. It offers better suction than many ultra-cheap mini vacuums while still staying compact and efficient, making it a strong pick for users who want both power and portability. A downside is that its dustbin is somewhat small compared to full-size vacuums, so you'll need to empty it frequently, but that's minor when the suction is this good and portability remains excellent. In the silver spot we have the Monozel Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This unit advertises a brushless motor rated at 130 W, suction up to 18,000 PA, and a 7,800 mAh battery pack. It also features LED lighting and multiple nozzle attachments. The Monozel's strength lies in its battery capacity. With a larger battery, you get longer usage between charges, which is a big plus if you frequently deep clean your car or need to attend multiple vehicles in one go. The suction is strong and the design is thoughtful. One minor flaw is that it's a little bulkier than some of the ultra-compact models, but given the extra runtime and performance, it's still absolutely worth a look if battery life is a priority. Finally, at number 1 we have the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The KMM vacuum comes in multiple variants. One version offers 9,000 PA suction with a 120 WW motor, LED lighting, and wet-dry capability with multiple nozzle attachments. Another version claims 16,000 PA suction, 3 speed levels, Eco, Medium, Max, and 120 W power. Further, in upgraded listings there's an 11,000 PA model running at 60,000 RPM with a 4,000 mAh battery offering about 30 minutes of runtime with fast Type-C, charging in around 3 hours. What makes the KMM vacuum stand out is its combination of suction, multifunctionality, vacuum plus air duster, and excellent accessories, all while being lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's ideal for someone who wants a dependable all-rounder for everyday use in car, home, and even pet areas. Its main shortcoming is that its dustbin is modest in size, so you'll need to empty it often when doing heavier cleaning tasks. But despite that, it remains absolutely worth it for its versatility, performance, and value. Alright, we've gone through all 5 of these handy car vacuums, starting from number 5 and ending with the top pick. If you want a tool that's more than just a vacuum, something that can blow, inflate, and clean, Iofine is a compelling choice. But if you're after the best all-around performance, the KMM handheld car vacuum cleaner is my top recommendation. Don't forget to click the links in the description below to check current pricing and deals for each product. If you found this review helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more gadget reviews, and drop me a comment telling me which of these vacuums you'd pick and why. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.